Hey guys, what's up? This is Chanu SK, SAP FICO S4 HANA Finance and trainer. So today I'm going to discuss about SAP controlling module product costing. This is the short video for you guys and part B. So topic is 5 important steps to understand product costing in SAP. So this is completely free video for SAP YouTube CO aspirants. So if you are completely new to this channel and watching my videos first time, please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon. Let's move on to the topic. So far what we have discussed. So in the previous videos you can also look at in the comment box. So we already given. So what is the product costing? So this video you can find in the comment box. And also explained about objectives of the product costing and preparing for costing and product costing integration and material cost estimate with quantity structure, product cost planning, and also explained about the costing variant and what is BOM, and also explained role of SAP BOM in SAP PP module, usage of BOM in MRP, and moving average price and the standard price, and routing concept. And so yesterday in the last session, in the 2 days back, so I clearly explained what are the 5 important steps to understand the product costing in SAP FICO and S4 HANA. So here I just listed out some of the important steps that we should aware. So before going to understand about complete product costing scenario. The step 1 is cost center planning, very important activity, and the steps 2 is activity rate calculation. And these 2 videos like step 1 and step 2 I already uploaded in YouTube channel. So the link also you can find in the comment box. And today concept is quantity structure. So in the last session also I explained about quantity structure, but in the today concept I will give you overall idea what is about quantity structure. Okay, see, this is the third step, helps you to understand or estimate the components of manufactured goods and cost of sold goods based on the BOM and routing. See, this BOM and routing completely master data in PP module, and so BOM means bill of materials and routing. So these are the 2 important areas in PP module. So the data flow, that means the data CO module to CO module is integrated with the PP module also. So in order to estimate the components of manufactured good or cost of goods sold based on the BOM and routing. So here, so these 2 areas will be helpful to calculate the standard costing in SAP CO module. So master data requirements. So these are all master data is required. So in order to calculate or estimate the components of manufacture of goods and cost of goods sold. A material master. So for that point of view we need to create one material, and it is including MRP, activating and costing views also. These are important views. And work centers, so cost centers and activity types, and bill of materials, routing, master receipts. So this is batch oriented process manufacturing. So this concept will be applicable to batch oriented process manufacturing and production planning. And for process industries this concept will be applicable. Product cost collectors, so this is for production planning and for the repetitive manufacturing and product versions. These are all prerequisites that we need to learn in the quantity structure. In the coming classes we will try to explain in a practical way. These are completely basic videos to understand about the product costing, and so I have given the flow like how to prepare product costing from the scratch, just by giving these small videos to you guys. So thank you so much for your support. So this is Chanu SK signing off.